Eto na yung TV na may pinakamagandang kulay. This is a Samsung QLED TV. Q stands for Quantum Dot Technology. Ibig sabihin lang nito ay mayroong nano-sized particles sa loob ng TV that allows it to produce 100% color volume. According ito kay VDE na isang German certification organization na nagsasabing si Samsung lang out of all the manufacturers out there ang kayang umabot ng 100% kasi yung iba kahit meron silang QLED hindi ito abot ng 100%. Medyo may kamahalan pero compared sa OLED mas affordable pa rin ito. Yung nasa likod ko ngayon is the 60-inch na nagkakalagang 70,999 pesos at kung medyo budget conscious tayo doon na tayo sa 50-inch which will set you back by 44,999 pesos. And while we're at it, samahan mo na rin ng soundbar. This is a Samsung Q600 series. It is a 3.1.2 speaker system at ang maganda dito meron siyang Q Symphony that allows you to synchronize the audio that's coming from your TV with your built-in speaker. So para ka na rin merong additional speaker, sabay silang tutugtog, mas ma-appreciate mo yung quality ng mga video or movies na merong Dolby Atmos. This is something that you have to see and hear in order to appreciate. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, pumunta ka na sa pinakamalapit na showroom, hanapin mo yung Samsung QLED TV Q60D series, compare mo yung kanyang picture quality sa mga competitors, and I'm sure hindi ka madidisappoint. O ano, total New Year na. Baka ito na yung sign mo na mag-upgrade.